Hello friends, welcome to the 75th session of Hybris tutorial. In this session guys, we are going to see two very important concepts. The first one is how to log the database queries fired from the storefront. Second is how to check the table size. So these two concepts we are going to learn in this video. So guys, this is a demo video in which we have explained the theoretical concepts related to this video. In this video guys, we have explained what is the need to check the queries that are executed when an object is saved. But guys, in case you want to see how actually we can see the queries those are executed right when an object is saved, guys, you can become our member by clicking on the link which is given in the comment section of this video, and then you can become our member. And once you become our member, you can get the access to this member specific video in which we have explained the technical concepts related to this video. We have explained how actually we can get the queries, or how actually we can check the queries those are executed when an object is saved, maybe from the storefront. So just click on the link which is given in the comment section of this video and become our member, and then you can get the access to all the member specific videos. So what this first concept means, how to log the database queries fired from the storefront. So this means guys, whenever we are loading any page of the storefront, whenever we are loading any page, let's say I am loading, let's say this page, right? So whenever you are loading any page, some type of queries will be definitely getting fired right to the database. So which all are the queries, how we can see which query is being fired right when I loaded this page? So how we can check that? These queries you will not be able to see in the server logs. So you can see when I load this page, you can see here we are not logging in the server logs, we are not logging those queries which all queries are getting fired. So how we can check that which query basically got fired when we load any page? So I hope you understand what this first point means, how we can see which all are the queries which are getting fired to the database to fetch the data, right? And second concept is how to check the table size. So here we will be learning how we can check the table size of any database table. For example, which how many records are there in the order table, or how many records are there in the customer or employee table. So this concept also we are going to learn in this video, right? So I hope guys you understand what it means, what the both point means. So firstly we will see this point, how to log the database queries fired from the storefront, right? So guys, if you see, this is the storefront and this is my HAC. And why I am able to open this HAC cockpit, or why I am able to open this storefront, the reason is I have done the B2C accelerator setup in my local system. That's why I am able to open this storefront, or I am able to open this cockpit. In case you have not done the B2C accelerator setup, you can watch over the video. The link of video is given in the description box, as well as on the top right corner in card section. So you can also watch that video and can do the B2C accelerator setup in your system. Right now guys, we are going to see, right, which all queries are getting fired when we load any page. For example guys, let's say I go to the registration page. So this is the registration page, right? Let's say I register something. Let's say I register, I do one registration. For example, my first name is Amandeep and the last name is, let's say, Singh, and email address is, let's say, Amandeep in Java, right? Java Hybris plus one at gmail.com. Okay, so this is the email address, and then the I am putting password. You can also add your password. Okay, now guys, my requirement is that I want to see whenever I do the register, right? When I click on the register button, it means this data will be basically stored into the DB. So this means guys, whenever I will be submitting this form, whenever I will be submitting this form, this data will be inserted into the DB, most probably in some kind of user table or in some kind of customer table, right? So whenever the data insertion will happen, which query will be fired into the database, how I can check. So for that, now we are going to see how I can check which query is being fired from the database. And similarly, you can check the same thing for any other flow as well. Whenever you get any production performance related issues, right? There can be a scenarios in production. There are multiple scenarios when there are some performance issues, right? Maybe one query is getting fired two times, or a query is fetching the extra data which is not required at all. So how we can fetch, right, which query is being fired into the database? So for that, this video is very important, right? So for that, what you have to do, guys. So guys, I hope now it is clear to you how to log the database queries fired from the storefront, and how to check the table size, and most importantly, what is the use of both concept, where actually we use these both concepts in actual production environments. So I hope both the concept is clear to you. So guys, if you like this video, do share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.